In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and manage users in QuickBooks Online. So this is perfect for business owners and team setups. So first, make sure you are logged in with your QuickBooks Online account as the admin. And then on the right, click the gear icon and then select the manage users. And then in here to add a new user. So as you can see, you'll need to avail their plan in order to access that feature add user button. So assumingly we avail that plan. So listen carefully as I explain each step so you know what to expect. So once you click the add user button, you'll be asked to select the user type like standard user, company admin, reports only, or time tracking only. And then next, customize their access. For example, a standard user can have a limited or full access to things like customers, vendors, and payroll. And then enter the user's name and email address and then click save. So QuickBooks will send them an email invitations. So once they accept, they'll be added to your account with the permission you set. So to manage existing users, just go back to manage users, click the drop down beside your name and choose edit, delete or make admin. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel.